Hello guys, my name is Jakara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning out my backpack from junior year, as I have 3 days until I have 3 days until I start my senior year of high school. This is the backpack that I used for my junior year of high school. If you want to see like a what's in my backpack, I did one at the beginning of junior year. And I'm also gonna do one for senior year, so just stay tuned and turn your post notifications on. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this out because I have not looked in this backpack since May 20th, and it's currently August 9th. But anyway, I'm gonna start with this top pocket. I have a Dunkin' Donuts gift card, and expired. They gave this to us like the last week of school or something, and it expires December 31st, so I can still use it. I thought it was expired right now. I forgot about it. Then I have 1,000,001 gum wrappers. I have headphones, like wide headphones that I put in my Chromebook. 1,000,001 gum wrappers. There's probably more in here. I'll just show you guys the accumulation of gum wrappers at the end of this. I have like a bunch of pens and highlighters and a pencil, a lip gloss that I didn't really use. I just put every lip product that I have in my backpack. I have like these little crystal balls because I have a bracelet that literally broke. Let's see. Just a bunch of gum wrappers. Oh look, this is the bracelet that broke. How is this part not broken? This is disgusting. This is like the bracelet that broke. Why is this part not like broken? Doesn't like the whole thing break? What is this? Oh. I have half of an ibuprofen. Well, this is really like a quarter of an ibuprofen that I brought to school just in case I was cramping. Stickers from Northwestern. They had a booth at a journalism convention that I went to. Please accept me. I really appreciate it. Oh, okay. This is very interesting. I don't remember putting this in here. But I have 2 crystals. I don't remember what this one was called, but I have rose quartz and this one. Is this like carnelian? Ooh, it looks pretty in the sun. I think I stole this one from my mom. Maybe this one too. And then I have a little hair thing. And then I have more quarters. 2 more. I'm saving these because I need them. 2007. Oh my god, the year I was born. What a full circle moment. I'm gonna graduate high school. This is 1970. Half ibuprofen. So I have like 3/4 of ibuprofen right now. More crystal balls. Another quarter. Oh my god, I have a full $1. If you guys could see how many gum wrappers I have right here, it's crazy. Now, this part is empty, but now there's a pocket right inside of here, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I have a Vaseline that I think I've had this for so long, but a Vaseline, and it's almost gone. Maybe I can finish it this year. I have 6 different chapsticks. The Nivea Milk and Honey. I have a Vaseline Aloe Vera. A Vaseline Cocoa Butter. Like, what the heck? I have a Carmex. I don't think there's anything in this one. Yeah, this one is gone. Oral Labs Lip Naturals Tea Tree Mint Lip Balm. And then I got this one when I was in Reno. I literally got this. Oh no, I got it this year. I got it junior year. I got this when I was in, no I didn't. I didn't go this year. I got this when I was in Reno? I went to Reno sophomore year. Why is this still in my backpack? Okay. Then I have hand sanitizer that everybody asked me for. Oh, this is a broken pen. I don't know Oh, this was my UNR pen. How did it break? I mean, not UNR, this is my Northwestern. Oh, I have a little native, oh my god, what is filling out of my backpack? A native deodorant. I have a glue stick. These ones suck. I got them from Dollar Tree, I believe, or Family Dollar. Like, I just wipe my finger on it. It's not even sticky. I have a bunch of pens and pencils. Oh, there's another piece of my Northwestern pen. Maybe I'll fix it. I see all the pieces, ow, that I didn't really use, but somehow there's no lead in them. And oh, this is the pen that I was using like the full beginning of junior year, and I used all the ink in it, and I was so proud of myself. That was my only goal, was all those history notes I had to do. I didn't even do half of them. I have more pens, pencils. This one, I think I found it and I kept it. This one, these are like the two pencils that if anybody asks me if they needed a pencil, I would give them one of these two, because I don't like 0.9 pens. This is 0.9 lead and this is 0.7. And I prefer to use 0.5. The remains of my Northwestern pen. Please accept me. Sorry for breaking your pen. Now for like the big pocket. I'm going in to this pocket right here. Let's see. Whoa, it smells like years and years of stress. Okay, this was my history notebook. You guys should go watch my what's in my backpack that I did for junior year, because you will see how like everything looked like before. This is notebook I use the most of. Like, this notebook is like almost filled. Yeah, this is like psychology, but look, this thing is literally breaking because I put so many papers in here. That's my history notebook. Here is my biology notebook. We didn't even do notes that much, so like I have so much of this that's not even like filled out. And I think I'm gonna definitely keep this notebook because I'm taking bio again this year. Oh my god, look. He literally said we would do this and we never did. So I kept this paper for no reason. The bottom of this thing is like open, so like my stuff could fall out. Look, I can pull this paper out from the bottom. I don't know how that happened, but obviously I have too much stuff. Now this folder is what I would use when I didn't want to open my binder. This is crazy. There's so much stuff in here. Like, I have so much stuff from my EE that I still need. Anyway, this folder is insane. Like, this, it's crazy. Like, so much of this stuff could have went in my binder. But actually, it didn't always used to be this thick. But it's because, like, for math, we had to take out all of our notes, and he like made us take notes like on paper. Like, he had printed out notes that we would fill out. And so I usually had them in my binder, but I put them in my folder at the end of the year because he's like, take out every single one of your notes so you can study. Now, last notebook. This one is oddly like not that bad, but it is. This was my psychology notebook, my TOK notebook, and my Spanish notebook. But my TOK section of this is also mixed in with a little bit of journalism notes, because in junior year I was in dual credit journalism and I didn't really use the Spanish part, but psychology is like full. And then like these sections with like the folders just had really like random stuff in here. You guys are hot. OMG. Should I turn you off for a sec? Yeah. I was getting overheated. That's a Billie Eilish song. Oh my god. With TOK, we had do nows every single day, like bell ringers every single day. Well, every time we had TOK. And sometimes, literally, we would talk so much that we would forget to like actually like write it down. like towards like the end of the year, she would like walk around and just like check like our notebooks. We may be missing some. That's all this notebook. This notebook is fine. Now, oh wait, let me show you something. You can't really see it. Actually, I'm not gonna show you. I'll show you this. This is my binder. You may be like, oh, this doesn't look too bad. Guys, you know how binders usually are like this with like the little thing? This side doesn't have that because it's ripped off. I don't really know how, if I'm being so real. Yeah, this front part has nothing. And like two of the name things, two of the subject cards are gone. But yeah, let's check. Oh wait, look at this. Did you guys see this? This is like chocolate. Like my friend, I think got in psychology because I like won a game. She had like a prize thing and it was like Valentine's Day season and there was a box of chocolates in it, so I took it and I like put it in my backpack and I guess one of them fell out and literally got smushed at the bottom of my backpack. So it's safe to say that this backpack needs to be washed before I put it on my back. Are y'all good? Kind of got overheated there. Not the Billie Eilish song. I took a pause for y'all and I waited. We're still on the button. Look how much stuff is in here. Anyway, this is like my journalism section. I can't really hold this up, I feel. But there's a bunch of journalism notes in here. Journalism, like, as far as like having like paper, wasn't really interesting. Oh, look at my thing. I'm so sad we never used this because my teacher was never there. But look how cute my name thing is. I hope we make more of these on Monday. I hope so. But they're so cute. I was in 11th grade. I read and I like writing. What is inside of here? I learned the best. Oh, that's boring. Anyway, I got 2 stickers. I think I answered questions, but this is art that I did into yoga. This is my friend, and it's cutest art we had to make, and it's so beautiful. That was what's in my binder. Let's look at the bottom, shall we? Let's see. Trash. There's something else. A gum wrapper. Would you look at that? What a full circle moment. This backpack is cleaned out. Now I have to wash it because it's disgusting. You know when I got this backpack, I mainly got it because I thought there was gonna be a whistle on like the buckles, but there's not. And I was so sad. I was like, I wanted a whistle. But anyway, if you must know, I've been using this backpack since freshman year. So it lasts a good amount of time. Before I do my outro, look at this. This is the accumulation of gum wrappers from this whole backpack, okay? This is all the gum wrappers. Why I have this many, the world may never know. But hey, maybe we break the record senior year. It's time that I leave. And I kind of love this lighting. If it could just be cloudy every day, I would really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it and I appreciate you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe because it's all free. You know what else is free? Hitting the notification bell to get notified every time I post, which is once a week. Hope you guys enjoy. I enjoyed filming again. I know it's been a while, but it's okay. I know it's been a while, but it's okay. I have 2 more videos planned. I wasn't gonna mention Billie Eilish in this video, but I happened to. It was a mistake. I apologize. I have nothing else to say. See you next week anyway. I just got a text message. Bye.